Now, this is the second lesson, and we're going to start with the vocals. You're going to listen and match to the pictures.
A vet.
Where is a vet? Where is the picture of vets? I think this. Yes. And the next one?
A dentist.
A dentist. Where is the dentist? The dentist is the one who takes care of the teeth. Oh, I think he is a dentist. And
a singer.
A singer. Where is a singer? The person who sings. Oh, he's singing. Yes.
A chef.
Where is the chef? The person who's cooking. A chef or a cook. Okay. This is it. And the next one.
A scientist.
A scientist. A scientist who works in the lab. Yeah. This is a scientist.
A bus driver.
A bus driver. Yeah. She's a bus driver. The next one.
A police officer.
A police officer. Yeah. She's a police officer. And the last
An
one.
office worker.
An office worker. Yeah. She works in the office. Okay. Now. Should we play again? Okay, now we're gonna play again. We're going to this part. We're going to this part. Okay, the song part. We are gonna listen to the song. Please listen carefully because I might ask you some questions after the song.
What does your father do? What does your mother do? What does your brother do? What do they do? What does your father do? He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. Yes, he is. I wanna be a doctor. I wanna be a singer. I wanna be a rock star. I wanna be a farmer. I wanna be a dentist. I wanna be a chef. I wanna do it all. What does your father do? What does your mother do? What does your brother do? What do they do? What does your mother do? She's a dentist. She's a dentist. She's a dentist. Yes, she is. What does your father do? What does your mother do? What does your brother do? What do they do? What does your brother do? He's a teacher. He's a teacher. He's a teacher. Yes, he is. What do you like doing? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? Please tell me. I wanna be a doctor. I wanna be a singer. I wanna be a rock star. I wanna be a farmer. I wanna be a dentist. I wanna be a chef. I wanna do it all. What does your father do? What does your mother do? What does your brother do? What do they do? What does your father do? What does your mother do? What does your brother do? What do they do?
Okay, that's the song talking about what your brother does, what your father and mother does. Okay, and the next one is the grammar part. Okay. Okay, it says, Lara, my grandmother, what should be the answer? Is it works, does, do, or work? What do you think is going to be the answer? I'm not sure, but I think my grandmother works in a hospital. I think that would be the answer. And what are we going to write? Is it what does she does, or what does she do? I think what does she do will be the answer. And let's check. Okay, what does she? My grandmother works in a hospital. And Simon, what does she do? Like I say, what does she do? She's a nurse. You can see. Now the next one.
First check. Okay.
Okay, that's it. And the next one. Simon is asking, where does your father work? And Lara answered, he works, he work in a school. Which one do you think is the best answer for this answer? Because he should go with the X, the verb X. So we're gonna say works. He works in our school. Can we check that? Yeah. Yes, we are right. Then the next one is Lara asked again, what blank your grandmother do? And what should be the blank? Is it what is your grandmother? What is your grandmother do? Or what does your grandmother do? Or what do your grandmother do? What do you think should be the answer? I think is. No. I think what does. Yes. What does your grandma do? Can we check? Oh, very good. Okay, now the next one, Simon says, my grandmother is a farmer. And Lara has a question. How do you have this question? Is it what? Is it where? Is it works? What do you think should be the question? How should we have the question? Is it where? Is it works? You understand when we say where? Where do you live? Like, where do you live? What is your name? So what do you think should be the answer? Is it what or where? I think, where does she works? Yeah. And Simon says, he's got a farm. He works on the farm. Yes, he works on the farm. Let's check if the answer is true. Oh, very good. Okay, then the next one, we have Simon asks again, what's blank your uncle blank? Lara. And Lara said, he's a scientist. He works in the lab. So what should be the question? Is it what doing, what do, what works does? Which one do you think should be answered? I think, what does your uncle do, Lara? Let's check it. Very good. What does your uncle do, Lara? He's a scientist. He works in the lab. And the next one, which is the last one, says, Lara asks a question again. What blank your father do? And Simon says, he's an office worker. What should be the question? What does your father do? What does your father do? And the answer, let's check. Okay. Now, that is it all. I think that is all for today. But before I go today, I'll be giving you homework. You're going to write these jobs in your notebook, okay? You're going to write those jobs 5 times each, the words 5 times each in your notebook. For example, a doctor, you're going to write it 5 times. Like a singer, you're going to write it 5 times. All these jobs 5 times in your notebooks. Thank you. Stay blessed.